Hi, I'm Dr Adam Abbs, and in this short video I'll explain the new process of mandatory COVID-19 testing on days 2 and 8 of arrival in England from international travel. That's for countries outside of the common travel area that are not on a red list of countries. On arrival in England, you must go directly to your quarantine location and stay there for 10 full days. Your first day after arriving is day 1. And you need to take a COVID test on day 2 and again on day 8. You can only leave quarantine once you have both received a negative day 8 test result and finished the full 10-day of quarantine period. Remember, you must stay in quarantine until day 10, even if your day 8 test is negative. If either of your day 2 or 8 test results are positive, then you must quarantine for an additional 10 days from the date that you took that test. If you do get a positive test result, we'll give you some guidance on the next steps. To book your day 2 and 8 testing package from Medicspot, visit www.medicspot.co.uk/travel-test-package. Thank you and safe travels.